How to make YouTube shorts and go viral. You can get 1,000 subscribers within 24 hours. This will be a step-by-step guide on how to make YouTube shorts and get your channel monetized within 24 hours. This is a proven statistics. I've used this so many times. It works for me. It worked for so many of my students. Okay, so watch to the last part of this video, and don't forget, if you don't understand anything, feel free to ask your questions on the comment sections. I will be attending to all your questions. My aim is to make sure that you monetize your channel, you make good money for yourself. YouTube is a best platform for you to earn from and grow your community. Let's head straight to it. When you see a short video you want to recreate, you will see the block icon by the right down. I circled it. You will click on that icon. Okay, it will bring you to the interface where you will see use this sound. You click on use this sound and react. If it's dance, you want to dance, you feel free and dance to it. You see how many minutes or seconds of that sound you want to use. You will click on the record button. You start reacting. If it's word of mouth, if it's dance, if it's reaction, you need to move your body. It will start recording. Okay, if you look at the top of this screen, you will see the red line. It's moving and the time is reading. Okay, it will take you to that how many seconds within a minute thereabout, depends on the original of the sound you are recreating. Okay, mind you, the more you put in energy, that's more people will respond and subscribe to your channel. So make it fun, add attitude to it, add drama to it, make it look unique. All right, make it your own. Own the sound, own the sound that you are reacting to. Make it fun so people will be happy to watch your channel over and over. And the more they watch, the more YouTube recommend it to wider audience. When you are done, you see the arrow that has text on it. Click on the text. You edit how you want your video to look like. If it's right up, you want to add up there, fine. You want to add up subscribe, fine. And mind you, when you have a command word, people will respond to it, like subscribe. I always use subscribe for almost all my shorts. You are telling people to subscribe. Yes, most people might not have a mind to subscribe to your channel, but when they see that subscribe button, it will give them urge to subscribe to your channel. Okay, it will process. When it processes, it will take you to another interface where you will input the title of your own short, what you want the title to be. You put in the title, put in hashtag, and most times YouTube will read the video you made and know if it's a music, comedy, and the rest of them. They will give you hashtag options, ideas. You can now add the hashtag that YouTube has already provided, or you create your own hashtag. Okay, when you are done with that, you see the other optimization: go public, location, it's not made for kids, related videos, and so on and so forth. When you are done optimizing your short video, you might decide to upload immediately. You click on the upload short button with black icon, with black background. You that just circled now. If you found this tutorial interesting, write it on the comment section. Okay, let me know the short you would love to create. Let me know how long you've been struggling to get your channel monetized. Yes, I've been on that lane before. I understand how difficult it is to get 1,000 subscribers and to get people to watch your videos. One good thing about short is you can get viewers from short, people that will watch your long form video from short video. Don't get discouraged when people lie on YouTube that short destroy channels. That is absolutely lie. Okay, 100% lie. YouTube will not bring a platform that will kill your channel. YouTube is working effortlessly every day to bring options that will make us grow as YouTube partners. Okay, when you grow on YouTube grows too. We all grow together. Okay, so let me know on the comment sections if you find this video interesting and educating. Why not subscribe if you have not subscribed? Okay, and click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. Remember, I remain Anthony Olo. I create amazing content about how to make money online. See you on my next video.